Welcome, here I've got REALME C21 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera and one of this is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. And let's stop by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to the left. That follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our slow motion video. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.